Hi friends, it's Udhaya from Backyard Garden Highlights. Hope you guys are doing great today. Today I'm planning to take you guys to the Walmart in New Jersey. I'm here to buy some of the containers. So the last year I bought containers worth of $17 or $16. They did really wonderful in the garden and they bloomed throughout the season, and even I got a surprise that they were tender perennials. So when I saved them in a garage, unheated garage, they were able to survive. So this year I'm going to buy some of the containers from here. But look at this guys, how beautiful collections they have in Walmart. Really amazing. So without further ado, let's go and check out what all these beautiful ready-made containers that you can enjoy throughout the season available in Walmart. Konia baskets, hanging baskets. It's pretty. I love this. See, the foliage color is dark and this bloom is, like it's very eye-catching. Same here. See, dark green and then creamy yellow. Looks pretty. They are $16.88. And guys, even though they say this is annual, begonia can be overwintered, and you can even next year when I got them, they started producing blooms, but not like full like this. Maybe we need to feed them, but otherwise you can overwinter them in unheated garage and get the basket again live next year. So it's not like completely annual, it's a tender perennial. So in New Jersey you can overwinter them. Alright, now let's look at the beautiful version which I really love most. Look at this guys, the container filled with a ton of blooms. Petunia for the entire season you can enjoy because they are fed with the slow releasing fertilizer, and they are 14.88 Petunia containers. You can just take them home and enjoy it, and look at all beautiful colors. Pretty. This is a unique structure I have been admiring, but I never bought these. But this time I'm thinking I should buy these. Fuchsia. It's 16.98 and it says annual. But I have heard this sometimes act as a perennial, so maybe this is a tender perennial. So I'm going to enjoy the season for this and then maybe take them to a garage so I can see if they are coming back next year. And this is one of my favorite planters, the geranium with the creeping Jenny. Actually I took them inside garage, guys, which was surprising. These were blooming like anything inside the garage where you don't have full sun. So that's really an interesting thing I learned in my first year. So this year also I'm taking at least one container so I can enjoy this in my garden. And the creeping Jenny adds really soft look to the container. I know the blooms are not in full peak now, but once they fill, they look really gorgeous in the garden. Look at this guys, when you buy the creeping Jenny seedlings, each pot is $4, and this containers are filled with creeping Jenny and lot of geranium, that is loaded with ton of buds, and they cost 14 point something or 16. Alright guys, hope you guys liked watching this video. I'll see you in another video. Please support my channel by subscribing, commenting and sharing it with your friends.